Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 window won't roll down issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A window that will not roll down in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as no response when using the window switch, intermittent operation, slow movement, or the window stopping partway. Verified owner reports and service information show that power window concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on door electronics, component wear, and vehicle usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves power window motor failure. Over time, the motor can wear out or fail internally, preventing the window from moving even though the switch is pressed. This is often isolated to a single window. Another confirmed cause relates to window regulator issues. The regulator guides the window glass up and down, and worn cables, broken tracks, or misalignment can prevent proper movement, sometimes causing the window to stick or stop suddenly. Switch-related problems are also documented factors. Faulty window switches or poor electrical contacts within the switch assembly can prevent signals from reaching the motor, resulting in no window response. Wiring and electrical connection issues have also been reported. Damaged wires inside the door, especially near the hinge area, or loose connectors can interrupt power delivery to the window motor. Body control module-related behavior is another verified consideration. Since window operation is managed through body electronics in many F-150 models, communication faults or control issues can affect window function. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include window track obstruction, low system voltage, or aftermarket electrical modifications. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing window motor operation, inspecting the regulator and tracks, checking window switches, examining door wiring, and scanning body control modules for faults. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 window issues are resolved through motor or regulator replacement rather than major electrical system repair. However, experiences vary by model year and door configuration. In conclusion, Ford F-150 windows that won't roll down are typically linked to motor failure, regulator wear, switch faults, or wiring issues. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.